Hi guys, this is a blood pressure um, sphygmomanometer, as I understand it's called in medical terms. It's a cheap one and I'll try to use it. I've already tried, I'll just do it again. And I'll tell you what's not right about this home measuring stuff, but maybe it works for you. So first I put it on my wrist. I'll put the stethoscope in my ears. Okay. I'll seal this on my arm. Let's see. Okay. Put the tubes in here. I'll put a stethoscope here as they suggest, just on the artery, and I'm looking at the clock. Okay, in here, and I'll start inflating. Let me put this higher so you can see it. So when I'm inflating, I should hear my heartbeat and see it doing something in there. So when I hear my heart in the stethoscope, and when it does something on the dial, that should be the upper limit of my blood pressure. Maybe it's there 130, but I'm not hearing anything. I hear it here, 120 something. Then I'm not hearing it. Then I hear it again. This is a bit confusing because sometimes I'm not hearing it for a long time. Okay, so I should go down. Now I am hearing something faint. Last time it stopped about 63, 64. Now there's nothing in there. Why? Or there is, but I can't hear something in my ears. So this is it seems to me that it's not accurate and repeatable in any way. It does something here. Okay. I'll release the pressure a bit more. Come on, the pressure dial, I'm turning it around, but it's not releasing much. Okay, now it's doing something. Dead needle. Now we have a moving needle. This is so confusing. Now we have a moving needle again. I don't know what to consider, what to make out of it. So it's also not pleasant to have this strangling your hand, your arm. Now, I don't know what a conclusion to bring out of this. I tried it a few times and I just can't get the same results. Every time it's different. Every time I get different sounds, different movements of this needle. And I'm not saying different days, different hours. It's just one after each other. So I don't know what to say. If I would be to do this for myself, I think I'll just give up, because it's not, I don't know what to think. What are the good results? So if sometimes it stops lower bottom at 63, but I can't hear it in the stethoscope. Sometimes it stops there at 80, and I can't hear something again. It's just so confusing. I'm not sure how the doctors do it, or is this device not right? Yeah, I'm waiting for suggestions. Maybe I can improve on using it, or I just consider it's a bad way of doing it, or maybe it's not for you to do it yourself, or maybe the device is not quality. I don't know. What else would you do if you have this at home? Maybe I can just take this barometer, whatever it is, and use it for something else.